Hey team, this is George. Appreciate all the hard work and effort you've been putting into class so far. Hope this has been a good learning experience. So now we have some very cool things we're going to be talking about this week. First, midlife, a change for the better. uh, what I find interesting about all these discussions, it's always the perfect time. Every stage of life, every stage of bringing up kids that I've gone through has just absolutely been better because it's been the perfect time for whatever's happening. So always keep that in mind no matter what we're going through in life or the changes that are happening, because changes do happen and they're for the exact right reason. So always embrace whatever season you are in. uh, and we're going to be in on Monday. Our holistic health is due and our informed consent form. For the informed consent form, you do not have to remake the whole form. Just go in and you can download it. Whoops, that's the wrong one. But if you click informed consent, you can go in and you can download the form once you click the overview right there. So you click the overview and then you have your informed consent download here where you fill in the blanks. So you do not have to create the whole informed consent. You just go in and fill in the parts and pieces of it that are needed. All the language and verbiage is there. It'd be terrible to have to go in and create a new one each time. And then our holistic health, if you're having any issues with that, just feel free to let me know, but always go under here. And then here's a nice sample that you can look at and the overview as well. So I didn't include a sample because you have one down there and here as well. So I'm going to be 2 to 3 pages paper explaining the value of maintaining health in all areas of life. So that is hugely important. And then we can bring this up. And here is your sample. So feel free to follow this to the T. And for a couple of APA things that are very cool, here is notice. Let me get a blue. Notice it doesn't say introduction and it's not bolded, just holistic health overview, and then it starts. That's the introduction. A lot of times people want to write introduction where APA doesn't do that. And you have a level 1 heading right here, observation of the toddler, and then we go right into the preschooler, and then the middle childhood, all that good stuff. So you have level 1 headings throughout, and then jump into our references where we have everything that has a hanging indent as well, and it's in alphabetical order. So those are just some APA insights that you probably already know, but it's always good to reaffirm them as we go. So let's have a fantastic week. I'll look forward to our discussions and everything that you come up with.